Section 1. Navigating the road motorcycle insurance for new riders. So, you finally got your motorcycle license in the UK? Congratulations. The open road awaits, promising freedom and adventure. But before you start channeling your inner Barry Sheen, there's a crucial detail to sort out. Motorcycle insurance. It might not be the most thrilling aspect of riding, but trust me, it's absolutely essential. Navigating the world of insurance can feel like navigating the M25 at rush hour, but fear not, my friend. We're here to break down the basics and steer you in the right direction. Getting the right insurance is as important as choosing the right helmet. It protects you financially if you're involved in an accident. Without it, you're not only breaking the law, but also risking serious financial trouble. Imagine having to pay thousands of pounds in damages after an accident. Not ideal, is it? So whether you're itching to hop on a Triumph or cruise on a Honda, understanding motorcycle insurance is paramount. We'll guide you through the types of coverage, factors affecting your premium, and top providers for new riders. And don't worry, we'll even share some tips to help you save those precious pounds. Because let's be honest, wouldn't you rather spend that money on a shiny new helmet or a weekend trip to the coast? The right insurance can make all the difference in your riding experience. So, buckle up, or rather helmet on, and let's dive into the world of motorcycle insurance together. Your journey to becoming a well-insured rider starts now. Section 2. Understanding the cover types of motorcycle insurance in the UK. Right, let's get down to brass tacks. Motorcycle insurance is essential for every rider, but the type of coverage you choose can make a big difference. In the UK, there are three main types of motorcycle insurance: third-party only, third-party, fire and theft, and comprehensive. Each of these offers varying levels of protection tailored to different needs and budgets. Each offers a different level of protection, and understanding the differences is key to making an informed decision. Knowing what each type covers can help you choose the best policy for your situation. First up, we have third-party only. This is the most basic and usually the cheapest option available. It's ideal for those on a tight budget or those who don't ride their bike very often. Third-party only covers your legal liability for any injuries or damage you cause to another person or their property. This means if you're at fault in an accident, the other party's expenses are covered. However, it doesn't cover any damage to your own bike, so if your motorcycle is damaged, you'll have to pay for repairs out of your own pocket. So, if you're involved in a single vehicle accident, you're on your own. This can be a significant drawback if you rely heavily on your bike for daily commuting. Next, we have third-party fire and theft, which, as you might guess, offers a bit more protection. It's a step up from third-party only. In addition to the coverage provided by third-party only, third-party fire and theft also covers damage to your motorcycle caused by fire or theft. This means you're protected if your bike is stolen or damaged by fire. This is a good option if you're worried about your bike being stolen or damaged while parked. It provides peace of mind for those who park their bikes in less secure areas. Finally, we have comprehensive insurance. This is the most extensive and, as you might expect, the most expensive option. This is the most extensive and, as you might expect, the most expensive option. It covers a wide range of incidents, making it ideal for those who want maximum protection. Comprehensive insurance covers everything included in third-party, fire and theft, plus damage to your own bike, regardless of who's at fault. This means even if you cause the accident, your bike repairs are covered. It also covers things like vandalism and damage caused by natural disasters. This makes it the best choice for those who want to be prepared for any eventuality. Section 3, the price tag factors affecting your insurance premium. Now, let's talk about the elephant in the room, the cost. The cost of motorcycle insurance can vary wildly, depending on a number of factors, and understanding these factors can help you get the best possible rate. First and foremost, your age and experience play a significant role. Younger and less experienced riders are statistically more likely to have accidents, which means they'll generally pay higher premiums. It's not fair, I know, but that's just how it is. The type of bike you ride also matters. Powerful sports bikes are more expensive to insure than humble scooters. Why? Because they're more likely to be involved in accidents and more expensive to repair. It's all about risk assessment, you see. Where you live also plays a part. If you live in a high-crime area or an area with a lot of traffic, you're more likely to be involved in an accident or have your bike stolen, which means higher premiums. It's all about location, location, location. Section 4. Trusted co-pilots, top insurance providers for young riders. All right, enough about the boring stuff. Let's dive into the exciting part. Let's talk about some actual insurance providers that cater specifically to young riders. If you're a new rider in the UK, you'll want to find an insurer that understands your unique needs and offers competitive rates tailored for young riders. Here are a few of the top contenders that you should definitely consider. First on the list, we have Carroll Nash. They've been around for donkey's years and are one of the biggest names in motorcycle insurance in the UK. Their long-standing reputation speaks volumes. They offer a wide range of policies to suit all types of riders, from beginners to seasoned pros, and have a good reputation for customer service. Next up, we have Bennett's, another big player in the motorcycle insurance game. They're known for their competitive prices and have a dedicated team that specializes in insuring young riders. Their focus on affordability makes them a popular choice. Another good option is MCE Insurance. They offer a range of policies, including third-party only, third-party fire and theft, and comprehensive. So you can choose the level of coverage that suits you best. They also have a good track record of paying out claims efficiently, which is crucial when you need support the most. Devitt is another insurer that's worth considering. They specialize in motorcycle insurance and offer a range of discounts for things like taking safety courses and fitting security devices. These discounts can make a significant difference in your premium. Last but not least, we have Churchill. They're a well-known name in the insurance industry and offer a range of motorcycle insurance policies at competitive prices. Their reputation for reliability makes them a solid choice for young riders. Young